Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, product is very controversial and it's very trending now sa TikTok. Trending siya, toothpaste siya, diba? So ito na yung parcel ko. It's from Shopee. So nag-order ako guys sa diba, sa TikTok siya talaga na-discover. Sa TikTok ko siya talaga na-discover. Pero nag-check out ako sa TikTok. So napamahal ako kasi it's 2 pieces. So nag-order ako ng dalawa. So mga nasa 300 something including the shipping fee. So ito, nag-check ako sa Shopee. So mura kasi nakuha ko lang siya ng 200 pesos for 2 pieces. So including the shipping fee. So I guess the shipping fee is free. So ito ay 200 pesos. So nasa 100 pesos each siya guys. So ito ay yan nga, buksan na lang natin, diba? So, ito matagal ko na tong siguro mga 3 weeks na, hindi ko pa siya nabuksan since meron pa naman ako na ginagamit. So, although ngayon, wala na akong toothpaste, so hindi pa ako nag-order ng aking toothpaste na ginagamit. So, ito ngayon ang ating gagamitin. So, buksan muna natin. Let's open it. Ayan. So, ito siya guys, oh. Ayan, so very siya, ayan, maganda yung packaging niya. Wala akong masabi guys. So ito ay Face You Japan Technology. So first time ko gumamit ng Japan Technology toothpaste na product. So ito ay with baking soda. Ayan, kapag may baking soda, alam niyo na very siya, for the whiten ang teeth ng mga person. So with baking soda, food graded healthy whitening. Aray ko. So guys, before we use, so we will going to check the product sa FDA. Ayan, so we will going through the website ng FDA, Food and Drugs Administration. So we will search this baking soda, Face You baking soda. So let's i-check muna natin. Okay guys, so dito sa ating screen sa computer, so i-type lang natin yung FDA product notification. Ayan. So, dito is cosmetic product notification, which is the FDA verification portal. Ayan. So, marami dito, di ba? Ayan. So, mga products ito. So, marami niya. Broad ito. Meron din dito mga toys. Dito nyo rin masa-search. So, hindi lamang products, kundi yung mga mismong mga laruan. So, dito sa search bar, search lang natin face, tapos may dash You. Ayan, Face You. Then, click search. Ayan, so lalabas marami. Meron siyang shampoo, body wash, and ito yung toothpaste guys na inaano natin. So, walang duda, FDA approved siya. Ayan. So, issuance niya is January 18, 2021. Then, yung expiration date niya is 2022. So, expired na pala. So, ayan. So, although wala namang basta FDA approved, sa issuance lang din naman yan na kakaano. So, i-view nga natin. So, ito yung mga tingnan nyo na lang guys, ito yung registration number, and then the product name, ito yung toothpaste, then Face You brand name, then the products, variants, wala, not applicable. So, ito yung brand, Merchant King Corporation. So, then the date of issuance and the expiration date. So, yun lang guys. And, well, let's go back to the main topic. So, ayan na nga guys. So, na-check na natin. So, it's, nakita nyo naman. So, it's FDA approved. So, it's safe to use. So, it's wala akong masabi. So, ngayon ay it's uh, first time to try nitong Japan technology na uh, toothpaste. So, sobrang laki na siya guys ha. Ito siya, 180 grams. So, hindi ko alam kung sa packaging lang. So, let's open it. So, ganito siya kalaki guys. Ayan. So, it's about 10 inches. So, medyo marami na rin. Ayan. So, ayan na nga guys, no? The packaging is very cool. And peppermint flavor. So, may flavoring din pala ito. So, peppermint flavor. So, although we will search the ingredients. So, ito na guys, yung ingredients niya is Dionese water, sorbitol, natural calcium carbonate, silicon dioxide, sodium lauryl sulfate, sodium methyl cellulose. So, correct me my pronunciation if I'm wrong. Edible flavor, sodium pyrophosphate, natural menthol, sodium benzoate, sodium saccharin, and of course, the main ingredients guys is the baking soda. So, itry natin guys kung gaano ba talaga siya ka-effective kasi since look at my teeth, ayan, may tinga pa. Hindi pa ako nag-toothbrush, so kakagising ko lang. Ayan, guys, kadiri, no? So, although hindi talaga as in white na white yung teeth ko, meron talaga siyang yellow. So, well, that would be my goal to whiten. So, ito nga, nag-order ako ng Face You Japan Technology with baking soda toothpaste para i-whiten ang aking ngipin. So, hindi pa ako hangad-hangad pa ng ano, basta, try the product. So, based sa FDA, nag-search tayo. FDA approved naman siya. Well, it's safe to use, of course. So, dito tayo guys sa usage and directions. So, brush thoroughly, do not swallow, of course. Spit out and rinse after use. So, for children, 2 to 6 years old, use a pea size, so a little bit amount, and under supervised toothbrushing to minimize swallowing. So, safe naman siya sa children, although meron siyang minimal amount to use. And of course, used by children under 2 years old should be upon the advice of a dentist. So, hindi po, so advisable pa lang siya sa dentist if gagamit ka lang mga bata na under 2 years old. So, much better na i-consult muna sa dentist if suitable gamitin sa mga bata under 2 years old. Brush at least twice a day or as directed by a dentist or a doctor. Control sugar intake. Visit your dentist regularly every 6 months. So, eto guys ha, nanonotice ko lang kasi based sa aking experience, I had a braces, diba? So, ayan last month kasi nagpatanggal ako ng ngipin since last month, sobrang kasi akong sugar intake. So, ang hilig ko sa matatamis. And then, without knowing na nakakasira ka pala yun ng ngipin. So, nagpakabit nga ako ng braces para to align my teeth sa tamang alignment. Pero, ayan, nagpabunot ako since masakit talaga siya, guys. Ayan, so useless lang din. So, although okay lang naman since kapag nag-smile ako, hindi man siya halata. Pero, ayan nga, nabawasan ako ng isang ngipin. So, which is very sayang, di ba? So, sayang talaga. Ayan. So, basta okay lang since yun na talaga yung last na mapabunutan ako ng ngipin. So, wag na lang talaga sana na mabunot lahat. Huwag tayong dumating sa punto na yun. So, ayan guys, although this is my first try and first day, of course, as I said, the minimum or the maximum review natin 7 days. So, i-try natin siya for 7 days and so we will update and I will update you in the next few days para magamit itong kung may progress ba talaga. So, see you soon guys. And hi guys, so ayan, nakakatapos ko lang kumain ng lunch at ito ang first day natin ngayon. So, we'll try. Hello everyone! So good morning. So today is my third day ng paggamit ng Face U toothpaste. Ayan siya. See? So although satisfied naman ako, nakukot naman niya, pero yeah, I can definitely see a few result. So kaya nga ano lang naman to, ilang araw pa lang, 'di ba? Ayan na siya. So still is yellowish pa rin yung ngipin ko. Well, definitely, tingnan natin sa susunod na araw kung may light to moderate changes na ang ating teeth. Ayan. So, bye guys. Hi guys, good morning. So, today is my fifth day na paggamit ng Face U toothpaste with baking soda. And yeah, ito na lang siya guys, oh. So, 'di ba ginagamit ko siya 3 times a day, not just 3 times. More or less mga 5 ata ang paggamit ko nito, tapos binababad ko siya. Pero yeah, as you can see, kadiri may tinga pa ako. Ayan. So guys, ayan. So maybe may mga natitira pa tayong araw, so I can assume na medyo makikita pa natin results in a few days. So, see you later. Hey guys, so today is the day. Today is the judgment day. Judgment day. So, guys, today is sabi ko nga 'di ba, 7 days review nitong whitening toothpaste ng Face U with baking soda. So, ito ay hindi lang umabot siya ng hindi lang 7 days kundi almost 12 days nating paggamit itong whitening toothpaste ng Face U. So, itong Face U guys is a toothpaste na formulated from Japan. So, as you can see guys, diba? So, I guess there are a few changes naman sa aking ngipin. Although, hindi naman talaga siya as in pumuting puti. So, magtataka na lang tayo kung bakit just one use ng paggamit natin ng toothpaste, di ba? So, itong toothpaste na to ay ayun na, nasa tindahan ako. So, ayan, magtataka tayo kung bakit magiging white, instant white ang ating ngipin. So, hindi naman ganyan agad-agad, di ba? So, as far as I use the product, I really notice significant changes. Although, talagang nasabi ko nga hindi talaga siya as in pumuti. Pero, but, it cleans my teeth. Ayan, so I can feel it. So, na-feel ko talaga na it really cleaned my teeth. And yeah, talagang as in naglighten siya ng kaunti. So, kaunti lang naman siya, konting lighten lang. So, well, aside from FDA approved, I really recommend this product. Lalo na sa mga smoker o sa mga nagkakape o mahilig sa kape, naninigarilyo. So, I do recommend this product and it's really as possible, perfect itong product sa mga tao na medyo smokers and coffee lover. Ayan lang guys. So, if i-rate ko itong product na to, well, I definitely give it an 8 out of 10. Yes. Since the 2 of the 10 is the whitening and the rest is the cleanliness of your teeth. So, guys, bumili na kayo and i-click nyo na ang description box or yung link na nasa description box. So, bye guys and see you to another review.